When I say bananas, you say peppers. And I can't believe I'm wearing a sweatshirt today. It was still like 90 degrees outside today, but all of a sudden it started pouring in rain today. And it was like right when I was taking some clips of today's like Halloween shoes, Halloween bag. If you don't follow me on my daily Snapchat story, that's kind of like where I've been posting a little bit of fashion, a little bit of Halloween fun every single day. So I was out there like filming a clip, like I always do, of my shoes pouring in rain, you guys. And I like literally got soaking wet, and I have been chilled ever since then. My hair is still in a sassy bun, but I think it's like moist in there. So it also may be like hair washing day because it does not look cute. You guys, I wanted to straighten my hair today, put in my Halloween hair extensions. If you guys saw that video, that was like Vlogoween day 1. So you guys, why is my mouth so spitty today? Sippy, sippy. So today we're finally gonna be opening the rest. I think it's the rest. I don't know. I thought we had 4 boxes. I think what I did is I pulled one out to do like an ASMR style video, and it's somewhere in this room right now. So we have 3 of these to unbox today, but that's still quite a lot in my opinion, because if you guys remember these, I think we started unboxing these about 2 years ago. They are the Witch House Re-Ment miniatures. So I do still have the other ones that we unboxed all in this little Ziploc bag. There were lots of really cool minis as part of this collection. This little cauldron was one of them, and I can't believe we got the crystal ball already. I thought that that was like one that we could still get. Or you know what, you guys? I'm almost remembering now that this set was kind of interesting because I think you got like certain pieces. Like I think we got the base of the crystal ball, but I don't see the crystal ball in there. Maybe I just need to look a little bit more. Let me see. This is gonna drive me wild now. Give me a second. Oh my gosh. Do y'all remember this one? The tiny little, I think this is supposed to be like a mortar and pestle. Isn't that what that is? Look at this cool like candelabra lamp type thing, but I do not see the crystal ball. We have like these, are these like Bunsen burners? You guys, I don't know. Maybe let's just open the ones that I've got here. Watch the crystal ball being the one that I pulled out to do the ASMR with. But anyway, you guys, we still have so many amazing options. Yeah, see, I want the little like mask in here. Look, we got some of the other items. Like I swear we got the jar, but not the mask. What's going on here? Let's open this one up. I got these years ago on Amazon Japan. I think that these even came out in like, I don't know, like 2016 or something. So they're pretty old now. I think you'd probably have to get them on eBay or something if you wanted to get them for yourself. What? Oh, yay! We just got the one. We just got the one that I was talking about. So this is the Homegrown specialty thing set. So here is the little paper pamphlet, and honestly, you guys, y'all can see it and I can't see it. What is this? Ooh, gardening journal. How cute. I should like cut these out, honestly. Okay, so this is in bag number 1. I feel like these older Re-Ment sets like actually came with a larger piece of furniture even in each set, because look at how cool this is. If you were making like a diorama or something, which, oh my gosh, I don't know if I would be able to have any success at this at all, but I kind of want to get one of the kits and try them. I'm not sure if these ones that I'm seeing on like AliExpress and stuff, if they're knockoffs of real items or something. That's why I haven't like ordered one yet. Obviously rather get like a real thing. But have y'all seen the book dioramas? Like, it's the thickness of like an extra wide book, but you put it inside of your bookshelf, and there's so many different themes. Like, literally, I've seen like Halloween ones that are like specific to like horror movies, like Halloween or like Friday the 13th, I think I've seen. I think maybe I've even seen The Shining, but oh my gosh, they're so cool. They're like if you mixed like miniatures and doll houses or something, like making dioramas. They look so cool. Okay, so look at all of these minis. Y'all, this looks like a huge kit. Now I need scissors, don't I? Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I'm torn whether it just opens or not. And you guys, I'm gonna be honest, y'all can probably see around me. I just did, it's almost like one of those time capsule videos like we do here, but I did kind of like a decluttering and opening some Halloween boxes from storage, and I started cleaning it up last night, but I did not finish it. I need to clean because I've got a tutu here. I've got lots of tutus and 0 pairs of scissors. Let me find it. I'll be right back. Scissors, still missing, but I did find my tiny little kitchen knife. So we're using that today. This looks like, I don't know if, since it's gardening theme, if this is like one of those markers that you stick into a potted plant. And well, that's gone now. You know what I mean? We have a pot. Ooh, beautiful. We have a plant. You guys, I literally thought that this was like just a Harry Potter thing where you pick up the plant and it screams. But look, isn't that what that looks like? I swear he looks like a little plant person, you know? And then we have this, which actually I thought it was another pot, but I think it's like the soil. And let me see if oh, he does. Look at that. I'm trying to see. Usually Re-Ments only have one way that they fit together, but I guess this one is a little bit more easygoing. And then we put him in there, and then little plant man. Okay, we also have not cut it open all the way yet. Guys, I kind of want to do the cowboy copper hair this week, but I did already have one hair dyeing video up this week, maybe 2. Hair videos in 1 week is too much. We have this stuff, which maybe looks like glowing mushrooms. Can y'all tell what this is? It looks like a group of glowing something, and it belongs in, doesn't it belong in this jar? Yes, there we go. Look at how cute that is. I love the topper of the glass jar. I think one of the things in here is labels, but I'm always torn about that. Sometimes I feel like I like the jars better without the labels. I mean, I guess that one doesn't look too bad, but still, right? Doesn't it look a little bit more realistic from the non-labeled side, or am I just making that up? The thing I wanted the most, it's right here, if only I can get it out of the packaging. This is pretty cute. This is not the thing that I wanted the most, but these are pretty cool. They look like those extra fancy gardening scissors. I think that these are meant to like clip like the buds off of flowers and stuff, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe you can use them for everything. And then look at this, you guys. It's pinky finger sized. These things used to really scare me up until about, 2020. And now I love this motif. Look at that. He looks like he's going to a concert or something. That is probably my favorite thing from this collection. So far, we have one thing left, which I think is gonna be the labels. And it's also this thing, which is so itty bitty that I'm honestly like, what is this for? It looks like a hook. Can you guys even see this? I feel like I would just accidentally break that in like 2 seconds. And then, yes, these are, oh, okay, the label literally says glowing mushrooms. I thought the label was like this whole area, and I was like, I don't know if I want to put this big giant rectangle on the bottle, but the label is actually really tiny And I feel like probably if I don't put the label on, I will lose the label and then maybe I will regret it. And look at that, mystery solved, glowing mushrooms. Although how funny is it that this ingredient, like the label looks like it's written in like a magical language, and then this label just plainly says glowing mushroom. All right, that was box number 1. See, I feel like it's okay if I only do a couple of these per video because they do take quite a bit of time. All right, next box. I don't think we've gotten the owl yet either. Y'all, were they doing a Hogwarts thing? Is this like secret Hogwarts set? Because look at that. That looks like the owl. Those look like the letters. You know what I mean? The letters with the red seals. Oh, no focusing. The letters with the red seals. You know what I mean? What is this? This is so cute. Okay, this set is called Nighttime Work. I don't know what that is, but look at this little plush black cat. That's what that's supposed to be. I don't know why every time I see this, I think lava lamp. It's not a lava lamp. So this is super cute. It's supposed to be like a sewing theme, a sewing set. I don't know why anytime I see a spinning needle though, I always just think Sleeping Beauty, you know? Doesn't everybody? Probably not. There's probably, well, I don't know. I don't know how common it is to actually use a spinning needle. I'm sure some people do. Let me know what you think of when you see a spinning needle. Ooh! I need some string or something. Look at how cool this is. You guys, I always love Re-Ment minis. They are truly so amazing. And I love that the spinning wheel actually spins. You know what, maybe let me be quiet instead of just screaming all the time and you can hear the spinning wheel spinning. Could you hear it spinning? All right. Ooh, this looks like a loaf of bread, you guys, the confusion. Okay, I'm actually gonna see if I can cut open all the sections this time instead of literally just one at a time. Thing number 1, we have a bread basket. I swear this looks like a bread basket. It's probably not a bread basket, but it is a basket nonetheless. We have the cat that I was telling you guys about, which that's always the thing that I complain about Re-Ment every time. I kind of wish that they would add like fabric miniatures. Like we've seen clothing things before, bags, scarves, tiny little plush animals. Is there like the world's smallest plushies? I'm trying to think what that would be that actually feel like plushies instead of this little guy, which is so adorable. But you know, I mean, you can tell he is like plastic. I think maybe the world's smallest plushies are in fact the Care Bear plushes, which I think I've shown y'all before, but they're not like that tiny. Do you know what I mean? Like what is a real plushie that's this tiny? Maybe it just doesn't exist. This is, I know it's not meant to be a loaf of bread, but gosh darn, doesn't it look like a loaf of bread? Let's pop it in here because I'm assuming that's what fits into this little basket. I think it's meant to be like yarn or string or something. Like what do you use on a spinning needle? Or are you spinning something into string? I kind of don't know how a spinning needle works, honestly, but I think that this would be like the material that you would get on the spinning needle. And then the things in the last 2 compartments is this like jar thing, and I love these in this little kit, but a lot of times like I don't really know, like are they meant to be potions? Are they meant to just be cool bottles? Are they meant to be like ingredients for something? What do you guys think? I do love them. I think they all look so cool and beautiful, and I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to tell because it is so tiny, but the little ingredients or whatever is in the jar, it moves around in there, so it just makes it look all the more magical, realistic, in fact. Sippy sippy. All right, you guys, last box. And let's find out what we're gonna get. Are we gonna get the owl this time? We definitely have not seen that. And I swear we still have not gotten the crystal ball. What is it? What is it? It's not an owl. No. Ooh, it's a broomstick. It's the Nimbus 3000. What was this called? This set is called Go for a Flight. Y'all, I really wish I could. I feel almost like as if I could have a superpower. I feel like I would pick flying. I really do wish I could, like, I would be able to fly. Like, if I could pick flying in any way, I would take it. I would fly on a broom. I would fly if I could just flap my hands around. I would love to fly in any capacity that isn't an airplane. That's the only way that I don't want to fly. Anybody else like that? Like, I really do hate air travel. It's like, that's like the least good thing that I like to travel with. I'm saying that in the silliest way possible. But you guys, this is a high quality broom. Now, obviously I do wish we had little real broom bristles. I mean, how amazing would that be? But then I feel like it would kind of lose some of the essence of this, which at least like this will stand on its It was just standing on its own. I swear it stands on its own. You guys, we have lots of cool props in here, which this is about to be so fun. Because I want to do a mini video at Spirit Halloween. So that should be coming up soon, but that was the other reason I wanted to open a lot of these today, because I feel like even though they are like witch themed, I feel like having a miniature witch hat in Spirit Halloween would also work. You guys, more details on that for another day of Vlogoween. Oh! You guys, I mean, see, like, this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, is the camera focusing in any capacity? Look at how amazing this is. See, this is what I'm saying right here. This is so cool. So this, like, string stuff is plastic, but this scroll is actually paper. I'm scared I'm gonna, like, regret taking this apart, because how easy is it gonna be to put the scroll back together? But, like, look at how cool that is. It's like a little map printed on paper. You roll it up and then eventually I will be able to put it back together. But I love that. I love like the mixed materials. I feel like I say that with unboxings all the time. Like the Unicorno ones we got the other day. I've always loved like transparent, transparent and translucent, frankly, things like with the unboxings. And you guys, look at this. See, I wish the chain was like a real like keychain material, but look at how cool like the little pendant is. The stone actually turns around in there. I don't know if you guys can see that I'm spinning it, but just take my word for it. I'm spinning it and it's neat. Okay, up next we have, ooh, it actually opens. Look at how amazing this is. It's like a little jewelry box, a little treasure box. It's up to you and your imagination. But look, oh, it really opens. Oh, I love it. And our very last mini is the witch's hat. Quick, tell me, which house were you sorted into? Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. I do love it. But imagine if it was like real miniature fabric. How amazing would that be? Ooh, and the inside of the witch hat is purple. Imagine that. It's so amazing. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching on Vlogoween Day 4. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy.